On projects like this, capacity isn't optional, it's critical. Building a new distribution center on low blow count soils typically means costly ground improvement or deeper, more expensive foundations. But Heli Max changes that. By combining the ease of helical pile installation and the capacity of drill displacement systems, Heli Max delivers higher capacity per foot and more capacity per dollar than traditional deep foundation systems. The PierTech team was on site to support installation and to validate performance in the field. Each pile was advanced to the target depth, then verified by a full-scale load test to 400 kips. No assumptions, just results. With capacities from 200 to 500 tons and typical install depths of just 20 to 50 feet, Heli Max reduces cost per kip while accelerating timelines. No spoils, no large excavations, smaller crews, faster path to load. A system designed to install efficiently and perform exactly as expected. PierTech. From blueprint to bedrock.